Hello guys, let me introduce my group. We are from group 9. My name is Arysandy Pratama Putra, and on my right side is Ali, and on my left side is Bayu Firmansyah. We will explain about laboratory civil engineering at State University of Malang. Our purpose to choose this topic because to knowing more the laboratory function and activities in laboratory.
Before we knowing deeper, let's discuss what's laboratory. So, laboratory is placed by equipment for doing some research or practice. The object is various, depend laboratory type. For this time, we will discuss about laboratories in civil engineering department.
After knowing overview about laboratory, let's go to main part.
Okay, there's 6 civil engineering laboratories at State University of Malang, among others like hydraulic laboratory, soil mechanics laboratory, structure laboratory, road pavement laboratory, material testing laboratory, and the last CAD studio.
First is hydraulic laboratory. In hydraulic laboratory, we will do some practice related to water movement, especially water usage for produce energy for human utilities. Some practice in this laboratory is 1. Open channel testing, 2. Overflow testing, 3. Fluid jet testing, 4. Current meter testing, 5. Plumbing system, 6. Osborne-Reynolds testing, and the lesson related in practicum hydraulic is fluid
The
mechanics.
second is soil mechanics laboratory. In this laboratory, we will do some practice or research about soil characters for as one of vital aspect in civil engineering sector. Some practice we do in this laboratory: 1. Soil stability testing, 2. Building foundation testing, 3. Soil dynamics testing, 4. Plant testing. The lesson related in the practicum soil mechanics is geology and geotechnical.
For a little, have you ever imagined how the highway are made? Just pouring asphalt on the road, and how does it feel comfortable and strong? Well, now we will tell you about the laboratory and Highway Laboratory has 3 rooms. The largest is the practicum room or classroom. And there are 2 small rooms next to the classroom are the lecturer room and the laboratory assistant room. In the laboratory assistant room, there are a lot of practical equipment. What is available in the laboratory room is new equipment, perishable equipment, and equipment that must be at a certain temperature. In this laboratory room, there is also have a box or first aid kit, which is very important because it can be needed every time for first aid in the event of an incident during the practicum.
The Los Angeles abrasion machine is used for determination of the aggregate's resistance for fragmentation. The aggregate's size is 1.7 mm, number 12 sieve, and other sieve depend on.
Well, actually, I don't really know the name. It's like heater, and these pipes are used to lighter when the bitumen is already in fire point. So, this machine just heating up the bitumen, usually until temperature 360 degrees Celsius. Before that, the bitumen will be heated in temperature 160 degrees Celsius, then placed at the test cup.
Number 3. Sieve. There is so many sieves in this lab. Start with sieve number 1 until number 200.
Consists of a base plate, mold, body, and collar. And this is the manual Marshall compaction assembly. To use this compactor, we just put the hammer and hammer guide in above Marshall and we blow like that. And this is supplied complete with.
The next is structure laboratory. In this laboratory, we will do some practice related to arrangement building material. 1. Building structure durability testing. 2. Building structure application. 3. Building structure design. 4. Building material innovation. The lesson related in the practicum structure is mechanic of materials.
The fifth is material testing laboratory. In this laboratory, we focus for compiler material structure, durability for building like temperature, pressure, and period of use from the material. In this laboratory, we do some practice related to material durability. First, material resistance from temperature testing. Second, material resistance from pressure testing. Third, material quality inspection. Fourth, material period testing. The lesson related in the practical material testing is material mechanics.
Well, that's a few laboratories in civil engineering department at University of Malang.
I hope the information provided useful for we all who want to know more about civil engineering laboratory at State University of Malang.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.